marami na sa inyo yung nagre-request na silipin ko tong bagong nag-aalok ng cash loan of up to 60,000 pesos. At yung pangalan ay si Akulako. Actually, Akulako, I believe, started as a buy now, pay later platform with, reports saying that para makapag-buy now, pay later ka dito, kailangan mo mag-down payment ng 10%. Ngayon lang siya medyo maingay dahil sa pa-cash loan niyang ina-offer. So, yun nga, ang dami sa inyong nag-request na tagal bago ko siya silipin guys dahil tataka ako, bakit? Kapag nagtatry ako dito, wala akong natatanggap na OTP and then later on, I found out na dun pala napupunta sa Viber. So finally, nasubukan ko siya. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience applying for a cash loan sa loan app na to. Which by the way, nade-download po both sa Google Play Store and sa iOS. I will share my thoughts at the end of this video, so keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here at dito pinag-uusapan natin ay mga online loan platforms, buy now, pay later platforms, and yung focus is financial literacy. So this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. And of course, ni-request nyo kasing subukan ko yung loan app na to. Our first question, always, and even bago ko subukan, yung first question ko talaga, legit ba to? Akulako is listed as a recorded online lending platform ni Street Corner Lending Corporation dun sa website ni SEC. And being a legitimate company, it is also listed as a submitting entity sa CIC or Credit Information Corporation. Kung meron kayong account dito kay Akulako, whether you like the terms or not, kailangan nyo siyang alagaan because it can affect your future credit applications or loan applications or decision. Ano bang mai-expect nyo sa loan app na to? Guys, alam nyo, nagre-review ako ng loan app. So first, dito ko siya tinry sa isa kong number dahil nagtataka ko bakit no dito sa main phone ko wala akong matanggap na OTP. By the way, if you guys are interested, you can always buy these phones. Buy now, pay later. May nilagay akong product links. Meron kayong Shopee. You can always get these phones in installment. Anyway, so ayun nga guys, nag-offer siya ngayon ng 60,000 pesos na maximum credit limit. But, depende po yan kay system kung magano yung magiging credit limit mo initially. I think yung lowest is 2,000 pesos. And nakakapagtaka kasi legit to, pero bakit 2.5 star siya? And it looks like from the comments, medyo buggy yung app. So ayun nga guys, 60,000 pesos daw yung sabi niyang maximum na pwede niyang ipahiram as a cash loan. Trusted daw siya for 10 years. Okay, fine, legit ka. Pero kung bitter ka dito, it's okay. Ilabas nyo. Anyways guys, so ayun, safe. Easy application, medyo hindi siya easy. To be honest, hindi siya easy. Just setting the right expectations here. So, up to 6 months daw and 4, 5, 6, again, it depends on the system kung magkano yung magiging initial credit limit mo. And I think nasa around 5%, but it depends. Don't know why later I can't give fixed amounts. Anyways, no interest, no hidden fees, approval rate is 99%. Alam nyo guys, 4 times ako nag-try sa loan app na to. Ganun talaga. Basta legit, huwag tayong mag-give up. Ay, parang alam nyo na kung anong nangyari. So ito, may mga nagre-reklamo that it keeps telling me my ID and photo information does not meet the requirements. So, it's a passport and it matches what I entered. Nakakapagtaka. Bakit ganon? Parang yun din yung mga natatanggap ko guys. So yun, hingi siya ng location mo, access to location, at lalabas yung welcome, 99% daw. Anyari dito. Anyway, so yun, maglo-login ka or mag-register. Yung mga dati na merong Akulako account, you just need to log in siguro. But kung first time mo, you need to provide your phone number and then magpapadala ka and then magsisend ka siya ng OTP. And for those of you na, just in case hindi siya dumating sa inbox nyo, like sa akin ha, it's either napunta siya sa spam, check nyo lang, or check nyo sa Viber. After that pala, meron po siyang safety verification, which madali lang naman. You just need to move the slider and then, yun. Lalabas yung mag-OTP ka, and then magpapa-password po siya. So, your passwords needs to match, so letters and numbers po. Super low interest, 5 minutes daw. Fast withdrawal, 100% disbursed, and approval rate daw is 99%. Yun, loan now, just click that, and then magbibigay ka ng personal information. I did everything I could. I made sure na yung information na linagay ko dito matches kung ano, copy-paste mismo sa kung anong nasa ID ko. Merong name of your mother pa, and children, living status, email, secondary phone number. I even provided that kasi, di ba, dalawa po yung cellphone ko. Address and then occupation. Hindi ka na kailangan magbigay ng payslip sa loan app na ito mga guys. Tapos hingi po siya ng dalawang contact references lang. And then, IDs na. So yung mga IDs na tinatanggap niya could maybe your SSS, your UMID, driver's license, passport, PRC, Postal ID, National ID, tsaka TIN. Yung binigay ko, the first time I tried this app, is my driver's license. So, you have to give your driver's license number. Kailangan mo siyang i-type. And then, pipicturean mo yung front ng ID. And then, yung expiration date, yung serial number na nasa likod ng ID. And then, back ng ID. I-make sure ko talaga na hindi siya blurred. Tapos, nag-picture ako. Dun pa ako sa labas kung saan masyadong maliwanag. Kita-kita yung lahat na nasa face ko. Of course, wala akong makeup doon. Credit limit is under verification. And the first time I did this, isang oras, guys, bago ko malamang reject. Nakakapanghinayang. Nakapanghina ng loob pag nakatanggap ka ng message na hindi po ma-approve yung application mo. But there's something na na-notice ko dito is nagdi-delete po siya ng information. Sasabihin niyang isasubmit mo daw and usually chances are na chances na ma-approve ka are higher the second time around. Sabi niya ganito, ito daw yung reason kung bakit ako na-reject. Like, what? Seriously? Seryoso ka? Ako. I made sure na nagmamatch po. So, I don't know. Time to move on. Definitely. So, sinubukan ko siya ng second, and then third, and then fourth time, wala pa rin. I tried here, wala. And that's why siguro, ang baba ng ratings niya sa Google Play Store, tsaka sa App Store, dahil pangit ng experience. It's okay if you guys are disappointed. Ilabas nyo. Yes, I am disappointed, of course, because I cannot give you the full experience. But since legit siya, hindi natin to titigilan. I'm just gonna give it some time. Isang taon nga bago ako na-approve dito kay Credivo. So baka isang taon din bago ako ma-approve sa loan app na to. Fear not, dahil kung hindi kayo ma-approve dito kay Ako-Lako, we have options. Meron po mga legit na mga loan apps na mas better yung naging experience. Nagpaparinig. Yung experience ko sa application process kaysa sa dito. Kaya rin niyang i-offer ni Salmon Credit. Although pa iba-iba yung terms and agreements niya ha. Pero buy now pay later din si Salmon Credit na nag-offer ng up to 250,000 pesos nga. And flexible na rin ha. Yun nga lang, just pray na mabibigyan ka niya ng mababang interest. Then, we also have one hand na 50,000 pesos yung pwede niyang ipahiram. And then, payable up to 9 months, di ba? Okay na rin yun. Then, we also have Belize na tried and tested ng super reliable po yung buy now pay later na yan. So, Ako-Lako. So, marami tayong options, guys. That's what this channel is about. And if you wanna see those other loan apps, you can go to my list of legit loan apps by Ate Red. Dahil andun po yung mga loan apps na nasubukan ko and so far naging okay naman yung experience ko sa mga loan apps na to. Pero hindi naman ako bitter kasi meron tayong options but at the same time hindi natin siya tatantanan dahil legit po to. Ang dami pong nagre-request so there you have it. And then I hope to see you on my next vlog about Ako-Lako and hopefully I have good news. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!